Hey guys, welcome to Daniel's Tutorials, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can post a carousel on LinkedIn. So it's pretty simple to be able to post carousel on LinkedIn, and what you just need to do is of course to make a carousel post using Canva. Now Canva has multiple templates that you can just use. You just need to head over to Canva and then search up what you want to design, and you can just search up carousel. For example, I have carousel over here, and now what you just need to do is to save this. Now this isn't really something that I made. I'm just gonna be using this as an example. So what you just need to do is go to share, go download, and then save this as PDF standard. This is the best way, the best format that you can use to post on LinkedIn as a carousel. So once you're done saving as PDF standard, you just click on download if you're fine with this now. And now we just need to wait. Now it's done downloading. We just need to head over now to our LinkedIn, click on start a post, and then we just need to click on more over here, click on add a document, click on choose file, and click on our carousel post. Now you can have the choice to add a document title to this one. So we could just type in build a business that works. And as you can see, it has seen that there are 6 pages to this post, and you can even already see that it has worked as a carousel already on LinkedIn. Click on done, and this should post it on your profile. And as you can see, you can see that it has posted a carousel post, and it's that simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Now I'm going to be deleting this out of my profile because this isn't really my post. But that's it. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.